This right here is the car seat kit.
I'm so over these car seats.
I don't think I know anyone that's taken a car seat out more than Alex.
I think in the last 2 weeks, I've done like 7 times out and in. Do you think even when my dad was here, I took it out like twice? I'm done with car seats.
All right, finish up.
What time is it?
7:20, I gotta go.
I haven't even had a coffee yet.
So today I'm taking the car to get the tow bar fitted, and just a quick question on that. I was really concerned because I don't know if they're going to be able to fit the tow bar on the back of the car with the 34s.
I think you're stressing over nothing though.
Alex thinks I'm stressing. The only reason why I'm saying this is because look at the tyre. There's no look at it. There's no gap or anything, and I know the tow bar sits. I just don't know where the tow bar is going to sit.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that someone else has said 34-inch tyres. Or maybe they can move the tyre down slightly or something. I don't know.
We're going to find out. I'm going to go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyways, my dad's down here, so I'm going to drop the car off at Top End. It's going to get the tow bar and it's going to get the 1000k service, like the look over, but I've got 3000 on the car. So my dad's going to be there, pick me up and then drop me back off at home, and he has a bus. So Ari is very excited to see the bus, so we're going to go.
You want to go with Daddy?
Where's my paper?
You're
I'm
not
coming
going
back.
with Daddy. I just took your car seat out.
I want to.
Where are you going to sit?
My coffee.
Yeah, I just took it out.
Hey, leave it.
Nannu's coming here.
With the bus, so I'll come back, okay?
Nannu's going to come
go.
here.
Good morning. Finally found them. Do I park it here or? I found yous.
You're a little bit lost.
I went out to Top End.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So basically this is how it works. It gets dropped off to Nissan and then they're going to do the service, and then they're going to send it, drive it down to Top End, which is just like a kilometre here. He's going to do the tow bar and then I'm going to pick it up today at 4 o'clock. So now I'm just waiting for my dad to come in a bus. Ari's excited to see the bus. Then we're going to go back to our house. And I'm not sure what we're doing today. I think we're going to Innisfail or something like that, but I'd be very curious to see how the tow bar is fitted on the back of the vehicle with that spare tyre sitting hard up against the back guard. Be very interesting.
Where are you going to sit?
Right, which one are you going to go in?
What one do you reckon, Dave?
Whichever.
I saw the car seat in the other one. This is the big red car.
They've got anchor
Daddy.
points.
Yeah.
You pick me up.
You can jump in, walk in, Ari. Look how big this thing is. How many seaters is it?
I saw the car seat in the other bus that were here. The car seat was here.
I actually think I might put them at the back if that's all right. Because then at least I can
Come
sit
on,
next
eh?
to both of them.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that way you can stay in the middle.
Yeah. All right. Let's
Where
do
are you
it.
going to put her?
Car seat installation
Okay.
number 180,000 for this month.
We got designated driver Dave. That's
Hold
my
on,
old
I'm gonna
man.
grab your car seat.
We've got Outback Andy too. We're going to go pick up everyone else. Might come back here, go to Innisfail. We don't know yet, so. But we'll chuck the car seat in. Come on, 1, 2. Where? Oh my God, you sing there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the bus closed.
How's the bus song go? I can't hear you. Good girl, good singing, Ari. So we got Ari's for Scarlett's first bus trip. Is this a bus or like a big minivan?
That's
Big minivan.
Hey?
The wheels on the bus go round and round. What do you think? Yeah.
What
do you think, baby?
Mum,
Hey?
I'll show you Babinda. We go past
watching
it.
out the window.
Babinda
Tell the camera, so we're looking for your grandfather.
Yes,
So Nan was telling me that her grandfather lived here, moved here in 1990. Was that right? Or was he born in 1990?
1910, I think.
1910, sorry, what am I talking about? Yeah. So he moved here in 1910 and he lived in Innisfail. And he worked,
No, South Johnston.
where?
South Johnston he lived. South Johnston.
South John, and he's buried in Innisfail. So he used to work at the sugar canes. He used to do that full time in sugar canes.
I think so, yeah.
So we're just trying to find him now because Nan wants to clean his side up, and yeah.
And his son too.
Son lived in
Here too.
Cairns.
He's buried here. His
I
name is Charlie.
And this is a bit, I never knew that I had like he's been my great grandfather, yeah?
Yes.
I didn't know that he lived up in Cairns. So, you know, that road that we drove on, I said to Nan, I said, imagine how many times that he drove up and down on that road.
He would have.
And I never knew.
Yeah, he would have.
Hey?
Yeah.
I know, I never knew that. We've got family history.
David is making a family history too. And
Is
he's
he?
Yeah. And he found out that my uncle.
So my dad now is trying to find out where he's buried.
So this is Saviour?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is Charles. That's why I couldn't find him.
Alright, so in all the section. And I feel sorry like recording in the cemetery and that, but I'm trying to be respectful and stay away. So we're just trying to find him now so Nan can clean up his site.
Concrete?
Oh my god, look at that.
See how it says Carmela and that one? That's
Yeah.
Carmela.
You can't clean it, David.
What is this?
Hey, what's your back?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Broken from...
Even you.
Pull back.
This one is my grandfather.
Or maybe we just lift the stone
Yeah,
up.
huh? That
Maybe
one's
that
there.
is.
And then is there too.
Fucking 4 of us.
The 3 of you can do it.
Watch out for your feet. How do you lift it?
Even if we lay it down, watch your feet, huh? Alright, there it is there.
Oh.
There you go, Anthony.
Can we lower all that? No, leave it there.
Anthony Felix John Addard.
Yeah.
So that's it
This
there.
was, when we came, this was standing up.
Yeah, look at, yeah, you're right. Look how wide it all is
Yeah.
compared.
Look, there was nothing the whole way back.
She said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go. Never mind. It's too.
Where'd you see the cassowary? Look at him, man.
Look at him.
Man, look at his feet.
Well, she's not scared.
He doesn't know.
So we just stopped at Etty Bay and we've already seen a cassowary there.
Do you reckon that's the same one that we saw last time that had the baby?
That actually looks bigger.
I think he looks bigger too.
Yeah, these are the huts.
Who spotted that? Andrew again, man. Andy's on
See
fire.
these, Al?
Yeah,
When
I love
came here,
these.
these were old sheds.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like built in the 60s and 50s. They're all gone because the cyclone came through. And they're all gone, and now they put these up.
A cyclone hit here as well.
Yeah.
Look at this little shack. I wouldn't mind staying here
See,
for a
this
week.
is like a
You've seen
perfect
it.
spot for us to meet. We'll park the caravan in the front. Done.
So we're so close now to this cassowary. Keep saying cassowary.
Cassowary.
And it's easy, I don't know if you can see it, but we're getting closer to it. How scary do they look? Yeah, look at it. How you feeling, Al?
Good.
Look at him. Stay next to me. They are such a beautiful creature, aren't they? And look how big his feet are, man. Look at the size of his leg. Scarlett's first time at the beach. He doesn't like it.
Mummy, what are you doing? It's freezing. Nice. You like it? Gotta get used to that.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy.
They don't care, huh?
We're safe here anyway.
He's looking at right at you.
Okay, go this way. Go this way.
He's an old one. He's old. Imagine that, eh?
Ari, we got a long drive home, so if you want to have a sleep, because you're going to go in the pool and stuff now.
Not even 1 second. He asked me, you want to drive?
Dave. Huh?
I'm burning.